Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Eid is upon us and today I'm making Lab-e-Shireen for you guys. It's a combination of very delicious and different ingredients. You can make this dessert ahead and serve it on Eid day. It's a very quick and easy dessert, so let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we'll make custard for this recipe. For that I'm boiling some milk and taking around half a cup out before boiling it and put it on the side. For this boiling milk I'm adding some sugar. Mix well and let this come to one boil. The milk which we took out, it was like around half a cup, and I am adding some custard powder in there. Today I'm using vanilla flavor. Usually Lab-e-Shireen is pink color, so if you have strawberry flavored custard powder you can use that as well. When milk come to a boil, very slowly add that custard milk mixture and mix well. Now here you can see the consistency. That's not the right one. This is the right one. It should not be very runny and it should not be very thick. So I'm sorry for that image, but I fix it later. When your custard becomes nicely thick, I'm adding some colored vermicilli, sevanya into this custard mixture and cook until vermicilli are completely cooked. Then switch off the flame, and since I'm adding some raisins, so I thought to add it at this point so they will swell up a little, and put this on the side and let it cool completely. For this recipe I am using pineapple chunks, a can of fruit cocktail. Then we need some jello for this recipe, so I am using red colored strawberry jello, and I am making green colored banana flavored jello for this recipe as well. Put all those on the side. We'll need some chopped almonds and pistachio. So when our custard and vermicelli mixture cool down completely, now I am adding some heavy whipping cream in this mixture and some red juice. You can use Jam-e-Shireen, Ruabza or Norris, whatever you have. Mix well, then add all the fruits which I mentioned before, kind of fruit cocktail, pineapple chunks, all those almonds and pistachio as well. Now you can add any other fruit as well, like mangoes will be in the season soon, or some grapes, or whatever your family like. You can add different other fruits as well. When everything is mixed, in the end I'm just adding the cooked and cubed green and red colored jello in there. And just again lastly just mix with the very light hand, and again the consistency should be like this, not the one which I showed you. And I again apologize, I lost the footage of that, but I have some of the footage so I can show you the exact consistency. I am adding a little bit of more of the jellos in the serving bowl and then pouring that Lab-e-Shireen. You can serve it in individual serving bowls as well. In the end just top it off with the remaining jello pieces and some chopped up almond and pistachio. Put it in the fridge and serve chill. I know this Eid is not same for all of us, but right now just staying at home is the only way we can keep our community and we can keep our family safe. But we can still make this Eid memorable by making something delicious for our family, like this recipe. And if you're trying this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Eid Mubarak to all of you from morEwish and family. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.